like we told you, on a quest and we're on a journey to see an affordable house for Yingalat and Zendu at the Monsey in the brand new Crest development Yingalat from Park from the city from Iberul. This is our first location for an affordable, billiger house, shine heerlijk house, 12 Crest. This whole entire section is sold out already, 10 Crests. But 12 Crests, there's about 20 Didas that are still available. The beautiful, gorgeous Didas for affordable pricing. Have a kick of them. They see this wie a model. Man sieht das in the pictures. Man sieht das in a drawing. In a painting. Aber es ist echt. Ich kann es touchen. This is real. Es ist kein painting. Es ist kein model. This is real. Real, beautiful, gorgeous housing. Seht, the ganze section is schon on the contract. On the contract, built by Schrodale Developers, the famous Schrodale Developers. This is all taken. In Karanemen, in the andere, 12 Crest, we do 20 apartments left. So let's do 3 stock. 1, 2, 3. And the prices, we're going to tell you as we go in. Okay, Kevin, we come to the eerste die je doet, 102. Maar aan kunnen we doen, Kevin. Nog maar aan checken. Wow, woof. Kijk of the apartment do. Koim kon ik this a beautiful place. We willen moe maken een podcast. 2 shiny couches do. Kijk what the fences do. Gorgeous. Nice big windows. Beautiful dining room. Wow. Kijk wie shiny design do. This is by Ricky Style Home Staging. The company komt erop. It macht a shiny setup from the hose. I love the fact that between the kitchen and dining room, there are shiny fences. This komt erop. It gaat up and down. So against the serving gehedig zwischen the kitchen and dining room. This is the first floor. It's going for $689 on the $700,000. Wow, okay, the mortgage rates, the mortgage rates are $499 on the 5% mortgage rates. Beautiful kitchens, 2 sinks, 2 stovetops, nice beautiful cabinets, fridge. Kick of them. Wow, so this is the first floor. Beautiful, beautiful bathroom, vanity, archove. Jetzt in the back, we gaan see the zweite stock. I'm going to show you the back of the house. It's the same, front and back. The back is the same on the first and second floor. So then we gaan see the zweite stock and the zweite stock. So the first floor, beautiful, gorgeous apartment, for under $700,000 with a mortgage rate, special mortgage rate of 4.99. So we gaan see the zweite stock, 202. Zweite stock, famous number 202. Let's check out the second floor. The stock is a bit more, but not much more. 729. 729. Komt eraan, doe. Get back kick. Oof. Kijk hoe dat archove hebben. Look at the beauty of the archove. Beautiful kitchen. Archove is hadas hebben. Beautiful cabinets again. Nice kitchen. Nice big dining room. Beautiful windows over there. Gaan we vergessen songs do a porch do. Let's come to the shiny porch, the second floor. Nice big porch. Can do bona sikke. It's overlooking the whole thing over here. Very nice big porch. And do van zweite stock is do a shiny Zach, a zimmer connected to the dining room. You could make it a playroom. You can make it a study, a Surmstieb. There's a door on this side. With that here of days out. Meest de Siede, can the kinder do spielen, haar leben. Beautiful. Let's take you, Gevre, to the back of the house. As we go to the back, I forgot to show you, Gevre, do a shiny große coat closet. In Park can this noch a additional room. What we do is there's a coat closet. I'm going to the back from the hose. So again, all the floors, the back is the same. So I have to do about the master bedroom. Beautiful, big geschmacka master bedroom. With a bathroom in the master. A full bathroom. This is in the master. Beautiful, beautiful big master. Shiny große closets. Nice bathroom. The full bathroom here, washing room, laundry room, Gevre, wecken bleiben. Beautiful laundry room right over here. Noch in the back koste. Lass uns even the boys room. Da scheine große Fensters. Big nice archove. A boys' room with, of course, big closets. And a girls' room. Auf der Seite noch mit größeren Fensters. A größer closet. So, Chevre, unreal for $729. Kannst du mit a scheine größer Chove, nice intercom in the back of the house. Beautiful, beautiful. Noch eine Kidde, was Moshe Yossi hat angelegt, du. Ist ein Intercom, lebende Bett. Sag mal, man liegt im Bett und einer klingt die Bell, es kann sein, man schillt, es kann sein, gut nicht mehr nicht. You don't have to run out of bed and go answer the door. Gleich lebende Bett, da ein Intercom. No Moshe Yossi kann nicht trachten von this. The builder do. Epic, epic, amazing. And jetzt lassen wir gleich 302, the most expensive. Noch einmal, it's a half price from the city, but it's still the most expensive from this development. It's $759. The mal is, jede apartment do, kommt a staircase for themselves. They're not living with other people's doors in their faces. So their own staircase was nehmt that of society to do. $759 with a mortgage rate of $499. I'm not checking the camera. Wow. This is gross, bright. So couldn't call einscheine Sache. You see right over here the stick coming down. So a grosser attic here for storage. Hang on, should I move and do? Somebody's ready to move in. Look at this gorgeous big dining room. Beautiful, big windows. The porch door auch it. A nice porch here. Shine bright gross. Attached to this is a playroom or a study or whatever you want to make out of this. Do can make a Pesach kitchen. You see it has the valves, everything set up. This can be a Pesach kitchen upgrade. Gaan wazen später the upgrades. Big beautiful room. Lass mal aufkicken, Chevre. Right over here, you can upgrade it to a skylight. Also can es a sickes. So it's can Pesach. This can be a Pesach kitchen. It's can sickes. For another couple of dollars, you can open the roof. It's part of the package. We'll show you soon. And a ganz seal can es a playroom. What there are studies to closet space. So here's the dining room. Chevre. So we showed you all three apartments here. The first, second, and third. The first is for $689. The second floor is for $729. The third floor is for $759. Chevre. All on the mortgage rate, the 5%. Chevre. They made a special deal. If you mention the high Perlowitz status, you get that mortgage rate of under 5%, $499. Laat me geen water nog een yiddish doen, Chevre. You see this picture over the Crest? This is exactly how it looks. Kijk op them. Give a kick. This is like a model, but this is exactly how it looks. Beautiful by sunset, as I kick this aus. So da push shine upgrades ich wenn ich wasen geben. Also wie hast gesehen auf der dritte Stock, man kann machen a skylight for the sicke for just $31,800. You can put it into your mortgage for that rate. Add it into the mortgage. Beautiful sicke you can have over there in that room. Can install a Pesach kitchen for another couple of dollars. Chevre. Check it out. I lang the number off on screen. Can schrijven, text and WhatsApp. Mention the high Perlowitz status to get that mortgage rate of $499. This is unreal. This is unimaginable. Man kann wohnen mit Archuvas Hadas, Archuvas Pockets, affordable housing, Chevre. Schkoich for following me, Chevre. Schkoich for mitkommen of the first episode for affordable housing. Hat's mal lechtige Tag, Chevre. Enjoy.